Hello guys, we are here with a new video while earning money online. Now today the topic about userlytics.com, earn online money by Lytics, userlytics.com. Open the site, you can see user research made simple, leverage our status. User research platform and our proprietary panel, more than 150,000 participants to rapidly receive qualitative and quantitative insights, improve your customer engagement. You can get paid by $90 only for working at home. Here is unlimited access at no additional cost, collaboration with your entire team for no extra fees. Your content has no restriction on the number of team members or seats you can include, whether one teammate or 200 colleagues. Feel the impact. Truly democratized research with world largest international UX panel of participants, more than 1,500,000 panel participants at your disposal. You can recruit the most ideal user from anywhere in the world, all of the whom are vetted and rated. Optimize your time. Here you can see the platform of userlytics.com, improving your user experience in just 4 easy steps. Determine the study topic to create perfect user experience. You need to determine what type of insights you want from your target customer. Second one is create your study. They have the most advanced UX tools and methodologies available, allowing you to create exactly what you need. Selecting participants and preview study, choosing your target person profile, and they will handpick the perfect participants to you. Then just preview your study and launch. It will do the rest. Fourth one is receive results and analytics. With highlight reels, transcriptions, advanced metric and more, they will help you discover insights that improve your user experience while enjoying the perks of unlimited account studies and feature. Unlimited is always better. This is why all their plans have unlimited creator viewer seats, unlimited content studies, unlimited screeners questions, unlimited user for testing home. Analyzing the study results with the best UX tools, you will quickly obtain both quantitative and qualitative data, advanced metrics and graphical reports. Well, highlight the reels, collection of annotated and hyperlink video clips of key study matters, while advanced metrics, transcription, QA reviews, and sentiment analysis, shareable video clips, unlimited data storage, downloadable metrics, session flagging, ISO 27001 and GDPR compliant single sign. Thank you very much guys. With new video we will be there.